Hi guys, I don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! I wanted them. Now guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, I've been gone for a little while, but guess what? Over the time that I haven't been here, I was still creating content for you guys. I still had you guys on my mind. So we'll be having, wait, tired. So we'll be having a whole month of vlogs and me talking to you guys and sharing my experiences over the past couple of months, right? So guys, I'm so excited for this platform because it has given me a voice. I know that God provided me with a voice so that I can speak and connect with people, and I'm so excited that I get the opportunity to share that with you guys today. Better things are coming here on SkyLife TV. My goal here, I have a shift in my goal for this channel. I want to really focus on positivity, creativity, and helping young ladies become more focused on being successful. Like, sometimes I realize in this society, people, the young ladies especially, their focus are a little bit off. And what I strive of is really setting standards for myself, so that other people can look up to me and say, oh, that girl is going really good in a society. She has worked towards success. And I want that for every young lady on this channel to really move into that direction in being a role model to somebody else, to really help this country become a better place, right? There are 4 things that I always keep in mind to keep me grounded as an individual, right? And these 4 things are I always keep God first. That's number 1, first and foremost. God knows all things work together for my good and everything. The second thing is I always try to believe in myself. No matter what nobody wants to say, when everybody else says no, you must still can say yes as an individual, right? The other thing is I always tell myself the race is not for the swift, but those who can endure to the end. It's not all about going fast all at once and putting everything out there. You'll have to be hype and rare. No, you stay in your lane and do what you have to do because you know what you have to do. And the last one is everything in life happens for a reason. The places you've been, the people you've met, the experience you've had, all of that happened for a reason to shape you into the person that you are today. And I am so grateful that I'm using my platform to really share and inspire and help others to grow. Guys, if you have anything you want to say, leave a comment below. I am happy to hear from you all the time. And please share with your friends and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, keep it locked to SkyLife TV. 1 month of vlogs and video hour with them. We are shot. Big up Punky anyway there.